fancy town.
Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us to the famous Wynn, Las Vegas, and show you what the Encore at the Wynn rooms look like.
Insane taco.
Then we take you with us to Charlie's to have some tasty food. Dave and Rose Travels, make sure you subscribe. It's the only way to see more content.
Fancy town.
The beautiful and luxurious Wynn, Las Vegas. The room that we will be staying in is the Encore at the Wynn. If you haven't seen our last video, where we take you with us to the Charles M. Schultz, Sonoma County Airport for our Avelo flight to Las Vegas, then we check into the Wynn Las Vegas. Make sure you watch that video. It is crazy and a must-see. And here we are at the beautiful Encore at the Wynn Las Vegas suite. This is just luxurious. Look at this bathtub, guys. Those bathtubs are great to take a nice soak in. Always some nice fancy robes waiting for you to use. We've stayed at the Wynn portion of the hotel before, and we have to say that the Encore rooms are way better. Boasting this ever so comfy king-size bed with its own space. And then when we go into the next room, if you are a nomad or maybe you have some work to do, there's a fancy desk to do so. And you can't go wrong with this view. In January of 2020, it was the year of the rat, and it was also the year of the Rona. We're pretty sure we caught Rona while we were in Las Vegas, and we lay dying inside of an Encore room watching Resorts World being built for a good 4 or 5 days. We had a whole week to stay there, but we spent it in bed feeling like death. And while you're staying at the Wynn or the Encore, make sure you go to Charlie's.
An insane taco.
The next day,
Make sure you're subscribed so you can see our next Las Vegas video coming up, where we spend 1 day in Vegas before we fly out to Cancun and take you to Playa del Carmen. We play some slots and then we look around at all the fancy cars because the Concours d'Elegance that is from October 28th through the 30th had just happened prior to us showing up to Vegas. We also take you to see the Las Vegas famous Siegfried and Roy star and fabulous display that they have on the Strip. Make sure you're subscribed to see that. Only 1 day in Vegas, guys, and then we fly out. Woo! Playa del Carmen HM Hotel, here we come. We have tons of fun upcoming videos from Playa del Carmen and Cancun. Unfortunately, I got super sick on that trip, so you must watch those videos to see what happened. And in order to watch those, you gotta subscribe.